Cheap kits! Get your cheap kits here! I'm going to tell you a story. It's about collections of model kits, what some insiders call a stash or a collection, and what normal people might call a hoard. Oh, it starts innocently, and the entire circle can be seen here at the swap meet. This swap meet is just like any other. A bunch of amateur and semi-pro model kit collectors in a parking lot, cash only, no trades. Okay, maybe just this once. However, inside those musty and yellowing boxes is a story of lost love. Many of these kits were bought for the love of a project, a perfect build, a rekindling of childhood joy, but every single one of these kits was placed in a pile, sometimes an obscene pile, and forgotten, ignored, and eventually unloved. But the swap meet is a chance to change everything. It doesn't have to be a sad ending. Much like certain seedy places on the internet, the swap meet is a place where the unloved can find love again, and usually only for a few dollars. Speaking of which, most of the kits on these tables are selling for a fraction of their original price. So don't go nickel and diming everything. It's beneath you. And besides, one day it might be you who's unloading your loved ones, and it might be you who is being dimed and nickeled. So, what did I find on this beautiful spring morning? Well, I was lucky, and I found a holy grail. I've wanted a kit of a privateer ever since I saw the real one in 2018. Oh, sure, this kit's got many issues. It's almost as old as I am, and it's got a reputation. This kit has been around the block, but it needed to be loved. Thanks for watching, everyone.